Okay, M6 hex head bolts, that's all we need. Not there. Have I got any? Have I got one? I can't find one. Oh, there's one. That'll do. M6. Oh. Ah, nuts. Probably should point out, we know that Forge Fix supply my screws, my wood screws, my brilliant Forge Fast screws, and I love those. What I'm talking about in this video is bolts more than anything else. So, and other bits and bobs, but you know what I mean. Anyway, carry on watching. And we've arrived, thankfully. So, time to get the wheelchair out. Let's go and get some nuts and bolts. So that was a great time in Fine City Fasteners here in Norwich, and they have got extensive selections of the fasteners and all that sort of stuff. But also what really surprised me is they do a whole bunch of other things as well, as do, you know, a lot of companies in this kind of vein. So you may have someone locally that you can check out, but if you have a little look and see what we've got here, we've got things like the star knobs and male and female star knobs that people often buy in bulk or in kind of really expensive mixed boxes. We've got even things like wood glue, but tools and all that sort of malarkey. Companies like this dotted around the country do these sort of things, and it's just fantastic because you can really pop in and pick up a load of good stuff that you didn't necessarily know you needed but also just super useful because you don't want to wait for stuff to arrive from Amazon or wherever else. And it really does work out to be a good value for money. Anyway, let's find out what I bought in this box. We'll get back home and have a look, shall we? See you in a minute. 3D printed a load of stuff as well, but we'll ignore that for the time being. Let's have a little look and see what I've got from these guys, shall we? Right, let's get into it. I ordered these online via an email and was able to go and pick them up today. I think I just hit the camera. Oh, definitely just hit the camera then. But yeah, here we go. Let me take them out and show you. So this is the little lot that I got, and it's £13.48 it came up to. And yeah, so this is the receipt to show you that I actually paid for it myself. But yeah, the prices, you can't beat these. You don't get this sort of thing when you go to B&Q or whatever. But I've got M4, 5, 6, and I've also got some M8s as well. The other ones I've got in 2 lengths, and I've also got all of the nuts and washers for all of them as well. So, you know, that will have me covered for quite some time, which is fantastic. So why am I making this video? Well, mainly it's to encourage you to shop locally. Obviously, you can use these guys. I'll leave the link to their website down below. I get nothing for it. They didn't know that I was making this video or anything like that. This is just something I want to do because when, like me, I mean, I've spent a long time getting nuts and bolts from Amazon or from B&Q or whatever, and I've always known that these places exist because I used to use them in a previous life, but for some reason I've just never got around to it. Today I'm glad that I did, because I've saved money, I've picked up all the sizes that I wanted, and it's just all going to make my life so much easier. Now, what if you don't want these sort of things? Well, I asked the guy Tim there to take a little bit of footage, and I'll play that now for the sort of stocks that they have, and they have absolutely everything. This is a fraction of what they have in stock, but anything that you go to find that you're going to need is something that that guys like this can provide you. In fact, they've got this catalogue that is, you know, it's half an inch thick and it's full of stuff. So there's all this stuff that these guys have in stock. I'll leave the link down below if you do want to give them a go, but I strongly suggest that you do give yourself a little bit of a Google. Is there any fittings and fasteners and fittings, or fasteners and fasteners near me? I keep forgetting what I'm Googling. and see what comes up, because it can be great to go around some local industrial areas and find what you have, because a lot of the time we don't realize what we've got right on our doorstep, and sometimes it can save us a lot of money, a lot of aggro. And there's nothing worse than thinking, right, well, I need X and I need it tomorrow, but you order it from something like Amazon Prime, but it doesn't turn up until 10 o'clock at night, so you still can't do your project, then the whole thing is pointless. Something like this just makes life easier, and at the same time you're supporting a local small business, and you'd be surprised what else they have in stock as well. As I showed you a little while ago, these guys do everything from glue to T-nuts to, I don't know, whatever, screwdrivers. There you go, we'll pop that in there. But yeah, so go and support local. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll leave the link to these guys down below if you want to support them as a small business. Thanks very much indeed, and I'll see you very, very soon.